In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your first invoice in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open your invoices, choose the one you want to send, and email it to your customer, all from inside Zoho Books. Let's start from your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on the option labeled Invoices. This is where Zoho Books organizes all of your invoices in one place, whether they're drafts, sent, paid, or overdue. Opening this section helps you see the full list and quickly find the specific invoice you want to send. When the Invoices page loads, you'll see a table with all your existing invoices. Take a moment to scan through the list. You'll typically see details like the invoice number, customer name, date, status, and amount. Now, select an invoice that is ready to be sent to your customer. You can do this by clicking directly on the invoice row or on the invoice number itself. That will open up the detailed view of that invoice. Inside the invoice details page, you can double check everything before you send it. Make sure the customer information is correct, the line items and quantities are accurate, and the total amount and due date look right. Once you're confident everything is ready, look for the Send button, usually at the top of the invoice page. Go ahead and click on Send. This tells Zoho Books that you're ready to send this invoice out, and it will open up the email sending options. After you click Send, you'll see an option called Send Email. Click on Send Email to bring up the email window for this invoice. Zoho Books will typically pre-fill the customer's email address, a subject line, and a default message body. Take a moment to review this. You can customize the subject and message so it sounds like your brand, and mention important details such as the due date or payment instructions. When you're happy with the email content and you've confirmed the recipient address is correct, click on the final Send button in the email window. Zoho Books will now email the invoice directly to your customer, and the status of the invoice will update to show that it has been sent. That's all there is to it. You've successfully sent your first invoice in Zoho Books.